Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Tigerlilysnickers and today I'm going to be joined by...
Tigerlilysnickers.
Woo!
Alright.
It's probably it's like really messing with my mic right now. Okay, so I didn't think I organized a plan for this video.
No, but we've got about 6 hours. Wait, we've actually got more since you got the recorder thing.
Yeah. I can go for like an hour. I think hours are the max. No, wait. I recorded for 2 hours once and I just sped it up, so I tell a lie.
Literally, this is a live stream without it being live.
Wow, that makes total sense. It actually does.
I actually can live stream right now.
Let's not do that at the moment.
I don't want to.
Okay, so, what are we gonna do?
Wait. I just want to show this look. People who think sloths are creepy, I will prove you wrong. This is cute.
Yo, I gotta take a screenshot. Sorry, hang on. Just stay there for a second.
See, you can be cute.
Please load for me. I would appreciate it if you loaded for me.
I want a calamari bear.
Where is my snipping tool? There we go. Thank you. Slow computer. Gotta be patient with it.
Oh, that is a weird animal.
Go.
No, I'm just like opening animal clips and all.
So cute.
Oh, I actually want to open that and edit it. Sorry, I'm in PicMonkey. I mean, not PicMonkey. I mean...
Power of draw. Oh, I got a great idea.
Oh no, I'm scared.
You got a massive mustache on my screen.
I'm editing a picture.
I love this.
Yeah, I love editing pictures too.
I'm editing my video.
Ready.
Yeah, I'm using the drawing tool. No, wait. I'm not supposed to be giving away my secrets to life.
Liar, liar, someone's panties are on fire.
What did you just say?
I know what I said.
What have I done?
I don't know. Who knows?
I know. Actually, I don't know. Oh, freehand. I thought that was a squiggly line.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, hi. It's like I've never recorded in my life. No, like I'm 50 subscribers. No.
No. It's not like that exists or anything.
No, I've never recorded in my life.
I wish I could show you my screen right now. Anyway, you could just watch the video. This is probably the most boring video on earth.
I'm the most boring video on earth.
Wow.
Didn't see that one.
You just like totally owned yourself.
I know.
Anyway, do you want to play a game just to make this video the slightest bit interesting?
I'm trying to edit things. Trying to make something not creepy that is creepy.
Well, I'll just make you look funny then try to entertain people.
Yeah, do that. Be entertaining. Be what you want to be. Do what you want to do.
No, never mind.
Trying to be fabulous.
Oh, do you want to do this Donald Trump, joke in front of everyone?
No.
Yes. You gotta make, fine, I'll do it then.
Oh, that looks like a failure.
Sorry if you hear noises in the background.
I doubt they would, because I don't hear any noises in the background.
Well, maybe they do. It's just...
Ew, that's not a...
Where's the cookie dough, you say?
Where's did you have the cookie dough?
No.
Where's the smudge button?
By the way, people might be able to hear you, so... I don't care.
Where's the smudge button?
Animal sloth. Oops. Oops. Fail. Fail.
I should use the airbrush. Should have used, you know how people say should have gone to Specsavers? Should have used the airbrush.
Sorry if, girl's voice is a bit, like, weird. It's just terrible internet and terrible computers. Anyway, I think I should finish off my drawing that I was doing. That would make a very interesting video while you're talking.
Here, guys. I'm on an iPad.
Yeah, you entertain them and I'll draw.
I'm drawing. Well, I'm trying to fix something that's creepy into something that's not as creepy.
I lost it.
You lost me?
No, I lost my... Oh my god, did I save it? I hope I saved it. Oh no.
Did you save it?
Oh, no, wait. Oh, I hope my file's here. Oh my god, my file. Please. I need my beautiful file. Ooh.
I need my nail file.
I'm still recording, by the way.
I know. Okay, that is a failure. I'm not gonna even try and do that anymore.
There we go. How hard is it for me to find a simple file? Now I gotta find the video on the file. I could just use the search bar. What's the name again? Yes. Open. Yay! I need to redo my spikes. Wow.
What?
Oh, I'm just drawing on AJ just because I want to make it into a den item, and it's disappointing that you can't draw something on Fire Alpaca and put it into AJ, which I thought you would be able to do that, so I got so excited. It's like, oh, I have to use the AJ art. How amazing. But then I suppose that it could be useful because if you could just do anything into AJ, well then you could just take someone else's drawing and say, oh, I did this, it's awesome. That would be plagiarizing, which I'm pretty sure it's illegal. So that's probably a good thing, but maybe they should add a Fire Alpaca file thing. Wait, you can't even do that into YouTube. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. I'm sorry. You probably didn't even hear what I said, because I was blabbering on. Anyway, I'll be quiet now.
I heard everything.
I'm talking about the people watching the video, genius.
They probably, if you've made it this far, I give you a high five on the internet.
Yeah, high five, and I'll give you a hug as well. My talker friends.
Don't make it creepy. I thought you were going to say cheese friends, but never mind.
My talker friends.
Screw that idea.
Everyone who's made it this far into the video, you're my talker friends.
I'm your taco friend.
No, you're not.
I'm your Aunt Girl AJ friend.
Yes, everyone who made this far in the video, congratulations, you're my talker friend, and you're the only people who will be my talker friend.
Leave a like if you're a taco friend.
Talker friends are like friends, but it's 10 times better. And Art's not my talker friend.
Hey! I'm gonna tell Deadly Wolf Girl that. Wait, is she your taco friend?
No. She doesn't know about talker friends. Talker friends are my thing. My friends are my talker friends.
Oh, I'm gonna tell her about your taco friends.
She's gonna be so disappointed. It's like, you're not my taco friend.
Hey, can I tell you something?
Yes.
I have my artists.
I'm your artist.
Oh, I feel very weird drawing this part. I'm not gonna show you.
Okay. Don't be too creepy because I am going to post this online no matter what you say.
What?
Everyone will hear you. I'm not editing anything out. So every word you say you can't take back, and that nose is amazing.
So if you accidentally say my name, you're not gonna edit it out.
I will do that because I really want to, because I'm afraid people are going to be thinking, oh, she hasn't posted videos in forever because, yeah, hasn't posted videos in 2 weeks, and I really need to keep the people who actually watch my videos because I don't have many views. Whew, I'm going to go crazy on my videos this weekend.
If you get 1,000 subscribers and then people come back to your old videos and it's like, what is she doing?
Well, I'm sorry if you watched my video, and I'm very proud if you do. You're my taco friend. My only taco friends. Anyway, then I'm getting. But it's just my internet's not been here, so. Wait, what? I haven't had the internet, so can't really post videos. Sadness.
Rip.
If you could see my face, I am crying.
That is a weird face.
Wait, you can see me? Oh, this is Sky. I never knew. Of course I knew. Anyway, moving on.
Moving on, taco friends.
No, you have no taco friends. Only I've got taco friends.
I've got reality.
Because you don't have awesome friends.
I've got reality instead of taco friends.
I got taco friends! Everyone loves taco friends. Because they're my taco friends. I love you, taco friends! I forgot what an elf tail looks like. I should search it up. Elf!
On your main look. Just saying. Putting it out there in case you wanted to look at your main look.
Oh wait, say if you were scrolling down pictures on the internet, would that be copyright?
What?
And I might ask you at the end of the video. Perfect image of elf tail armor. Perfect. Now I know what you look like. Now I can.
Get what you mean? No, it's not copyright.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I get what you mean. It's not if you're looking at images.
Okay, that's good because I was just scrolling down things for elf tail armor. It's like, oh my god. After them, it's like, wait, is this gonna be copyright?
Copyright's only music.
Oh, I'm stupid.
I'm just letting you know that copyright's only music.
Oh my god, this looks so amazing.
My wolf is terrible.
I haven't even added color.
Wait, I can send you a picture.
Now this one's a boy and this one's a girl.
Yeah, our, thing we're doing.
Huh? Oh yes. Wait. Oh, I need to still do that trailer. You've already uploaded it, haven't you?
Yeah.
So why is it such a big secret?
People don't need to know yet.
Oh. Hey, did you tell them that I'm also included in this, so I'm allowed to upload it?
In the trailer.
Oh. You even showed me the trailer. Wow, oops. I'm so proud of myself because I'm proud of myself when I do a drawing that I like because, huh?
You're in a famous Jammers trailer. You should be proud of yourself.
You've only got 50 subscribers. There are people who got 10,000 subscribers.
Hey, I've almost got 60. Boom.
60 subscribers. special.
Imagine if like we have like 1,000 subscribers and people are watching this, are like, what are you talking about?
It's like when you go up to 1,000 subscribers, watching them over, it's like, what are you talking about?
You are famous. Like, I don't know what you're talking about, Han Bun, but you are famous right now. Oops, I did not supposed to.
This is a Goody Cheese video. That was a
You said my glasses were good. They're hideous.
What?
Like my glasses that I draw on animals, they're hideous.
Well, I'm not gonna ever draw glasses because if I show the world my glasses, others are like, I'm not watching that channel anymore. Gonna go off to Art Girl's channel. Then I'll lose all my views, and I actually don't have views, so I'm sad.
I have almost 2,000 views.
I've got 152 in total,
Sorry.
which is not that much if you do the maths. And I didn't do the maths because
Calm yourself.
for all you math lovers out there, I'm sorry, but math sucks. I should edit that out because so many people are going to be so offended.
No. It's like, to me, like me saying that, it's like, Art Girl AG is a,
What was wrong with my laugh just then? And oh my god, this is not fire alpaca technology. This is annoying me.
This is advanced technology. This is not fire alpaca technology anymore. It's advanced technology.
Yeah, you wish.
Calm yourself, young child.
I am not a child. I am a jammer.
Monthly fail of the week.
That's the monthly fail of the week.
Only you would get. Why?
Yeah, only I would get that. The video in 2 weeks.
True that.
Do the science.
Calm yourself, child.
Calm myself.
Please, honey.
Yeah.
Got a lot of things to work with.
I don't have much to work with, so goodbye.
Please, honey, you got a lot to work with.
That's oh no.
I heard you.
Breathe. I need to breathe.
Yes, you need to breathe.
Otherwise I will die.
Pretty much. What?
What, am I not your friend anymore? Is that why you're screaming? There's a gap, so many gaps. I hate my gaps.
No, I'm not screaming because you're not my friend. I'm screaming because my fire alpaca is not cooperating.
Well, I'm not doing fire alpaca, I'm doing animal jam.
Oh, that would stink.
I know. That's why I'm rage quitting so much.
Oh, you don't know how much I'm rage quitting.
I'm gonna scream, but my screams are so loud. If I was really rage quitting, I would seriously scream.
You'd blow the computer to...
Explosions everywhere. Wow, I've recorded for 19 minutes so far. Well, I'm not stopping now.
Like, I've recorded this long. Oh, I'm not gonna stop. I'm too lazy. Too lazy to click a button.
And also, I would like to finish this. It's black. I don't need black. I need pink.
Girl.
I am not a girly girl.
I know you are.
You liar.
Why are you lying?
Oh my god! Tigerlilysnickers burps on camera. Title of this video. By the way, excuse me. It's not my fault, it came from deep down inside. If it was any lower, it would have been a fart.
I doubt they needed to know that.
You know, the teacher once, the teacher before you came to our school said, she burped, and she's like, it's not my fault, it came from deep down inside. If it was any lower, it would have been a... And then she didn't say that because she thought that would be inappropriate. It's just like, everyone just like yelled, farts. It's like, miracle.
It's like, oh, it's a miracle. You know, I need to draw shades on this. I need to...
Oh, those shades though.
Too big of a shade.
Pixelated shades flying on the screen. I wish I could do that. And
to be honest with you, I could probably do that.
yeah, if I actually looked through the time, yes, I probably could. Should I take the time? Oh my god, that looks so weird. Why did I choose that?
Oh, those shades though. These shades.
Those shades though.
That doesn't even match the eyes. I need to fix that miserably.
I can't wait till I get a pencil thing, because then I know that my drawings would be good, because I'm a good drawer, at least I think I am. I'm probably a better painter. I wish I could take a photo of that painting and show everyone to the world. Because I'm just like, I want to tell them, but then I don't want to brag, so just gonna leave it.
Oh, these shades. Those
What?
shades are killing it.
Is that a good thing? It's like noob in the background. Is that a good thing?
Oh, I just put them on. Oh yeah, I just like, okay, I might put them like that on this wolf.
Nah, too pink. Nah, too light pink.
He needs pink.
I thought pink was your favorite color.
Shh, don't tell the world that.
Shh, don't tell the world that. Otherwise I will kill you.
That's a bit harsh.
I hope you wouldn't.
I wouldn't do that.
It's good.
Cruel. Really, did you think I'd be that cruel?
No, you're my friend.
Nobody needs to know that.
And friends are just annoying.
Oh.
They're not cruel, they're just annoying.
Like that burn.
You know I don't mean it, right?
Yeah, I take a joke just as much as the next person. Oh, these shades are killing it.
No, I probably won't be very good friends if I was a friend with someone who was serious and I took that seriously.
Yeah.
Because I think my life is just jokes.
Jokes for days.
Jokes for days! Silence. Silence. Special effects for silence.
I don't know if there is.
I said silence!
Okay, good for you. Wait.
Should I edit out that burp? Just like, no. I hate you now. Just like it's like, oh my god, this person's amazing. Watch a video with a burp in it. I hate you now.
That'd actually be pretty rude.
Yeah.
Think about that. Who would do that?
A rude person. Duh. You didn't think of the science. Oh my god.
Not science.
Scientific breakthroughs. Oh my god, my English. I don't English. I English.
These shades. Okay, pause the video and then I'll just show you quickly.
Okay. Hang on. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, we're back. Turns out there was no reason why I needed to pause it. By the way, I'm recording.
I know.
No spoilers. I just gave away a spoiler.
No, this is not for our upcoming event. I'm gonna draw a cap on the ladybug on the Animal Jam logo.
Oh. And green. Green's a nice color. Dark green. Huh. What? I wasn't listening. Hey, I'll need to look up more elf tales. Ooh, okay. Oh, wait, I need to do the purple genius.
What should I open? Oh. Got a lot of things here. I got some floating things. I've got... Oh yeah, I'm gonna edit that. Because, why not make it more realistic?
Entertain the people.
I just thought of some... Okay, I get this now. I found life.
I found life on Earth. How amazing. A computer. It's like someone who lives outside with no computers is like, oh, I found life on Earth. My precious computer.
No, I'm being serious. I just found out something.
I'm gonna save this.
No, I'm gonna make my new background. You know how I had like this Rainbow Dash background that she was just like breaking through the crack of the screen?
Yeah.
Arctic Wolf. It's like, oh, my own background, isn't it amazing? I just need to make it go through PicMonkey.
Yes, of course I want to replace it. Why would I want the old one whatsoever? Oh my gosh. Do you know me?
You know me?
Yeah, I should have stuck with the old one.
Like, do they even know me? Like, no, they
No, they don't.
No, they don't. Sorry, man, but they don't. They don't know you. It's like, well, I'm disappointed. If I'm gonna be famous when I grow up, they should know me.
They should know me. When I grow up, I'm gonna be famous.
Be a star. Be Rainbow Dash.
Be a star. I'm gonna be the VIP on Teletubbies.
Wait, what?
I don't know. It's the first thing that popped up into my head. I'm sorry, I just bumped my mic.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make this actually look good.
Teletubbies creeps me out. Scary.
Guys, it's not a kid's show.
In the future, someone's probably gonna be sending me a picture of that baby's son just to creep me out. It's like, okay, enter the boy. That sounded weird. Sounded better in my head.
I need to get my snipping tool.
My snippeting tool. Oh my gosh. There we go. It's in line now. Sorry that you were probably extremely annoyed at me.
That is rain.
It's raining.
It's raining potatoes.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah.
I actually wouldn't like it to rain potatoes.
That would hurt. Not as much as hail, though.
Oh, there it is. I'm like, this video is so weird. I'm just like drawing and I'm like, okay, I'm editing in PicMonkey now.
Wow, we've recorded for 29 minutes. People are probably going to be extremely bored.
You're gonna edit things.
Yeah, I'm going to edit things to make them interesting.
Burn, burn, burn.
Burn those burgers. Random fact for the day. Did you know burgers burn 10 times easier than a sandwich? Who knew? Awkward silence. As soon as I finish this picture, I'm ending the video because who wants to watch an hour video?
Me!
Falling asleep at your keyboard. You wake up. Oh, there's keys on my face. I don't think much people would understand that joke.
No, unless you were in the car.
Unless you were in the car today. And no, we are not related.
That'd be weird. Think about that.
I was just with her on the strand. Water slides, water slides. There's no water slides anymore. I haven't seen a water slide in ages.
You give information of where we live.
I'm pretty sure there's plenty of strands in the world.
No. Have you done history?
No, I don't educate myself properly. Like, duh. Who educates themselves these days? Like, seriously. Think about that.
Me.
I mean, how stupid would it be if you educated yourself?
You know, you're making this so funny it doesn't even make sense.
I'm a comedian.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Who?
I'm searching up things, spikies. Thanks.
Big boys.
That's not what I thought would come out. Animal Jam. Remember to type in Animal Jam when you search up spikes, people.
I'm just like big boys.
What is wrong with you?
Everything.
Everything. Oh, I knew that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You wouldn't be asking me if you did know that.
Yeah. You don't know my life. You kind of do. Just like I have secrets that you will never find. Yeah.
Creepy or anything.
It would be so much easier if we were on Feral Packer. I'm just gonna save these spikes so I can get the collar instead of trying to make it. Because I am struggling here.
I can't.
Nah.
I discovered something.
That's gonna have to do. I'm not happy with that. Ugh.
You know, if I knew this tool was a thing, I would have used it.
What tool?
Never mind.
The circles.
I said nothing.
I said nothing in this whole entire video.
Well,
You are a liar.
I said nothing. I need to make that smaller.
I need to make my life smaller.
What? You're not even making sense anymore.
I speak gibberish.
I speak me gibberish.
I speak my gibberish, wee lassie. And no, I am not Scottish.
Who's to say?
Scottish people who were just listening to me will probably be so offended. I'm sorry. Imagine if I recorded this whole entire video and my mic wasn't working. It's just like, what?
All that work for nothing.
All those 35 minutes wasted. I just wasted 35 minutes of my life.
I just wasted 30 seconds of my life.
Minutes! It's minutes! It's a terrible color.
Thanks, I'm a terrible color.
Yes, you are. Oh, think about that for a second.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no! Oh, okay, there's a back button. I would die without you, back button.
Back button is my life.
Oh, this looks so bland. My wolf looks bland. I can't believe I'm making a new green. How am I making a new green? No, don't do that. Me. What?
Apparently making a new green is mean.
I need to make a new green. Let's make it really dark.
Make a new green screen. That scared me.
It's like, that scared me.
I was like, oh, that didn't scare me. But it did.
But it did. Secretly it did.
Scared my inner soul if it scared it.
It scared my inner soul. Yes, and I scared you.
Okay, good for you.
Yes, good for me.
Okay, this background looks pretty decent. I'm gonna show you it.
I can't see it. Move to your right. More to your right. Step. Left. 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 Stop. Oh, don't clap. I hope that doesn't sound like crazily weird, otherwise it'll probably be hurting people's ears.
Back. I'm gonna call this back.
Back to the future.
No, I'm not going there.
Alright.
Thank you.
Remember the talking bins? I'm sorry. People watching probably won't know what we mean. Okay, so in school we had to do before, after, and today for religion, and I'm just like, what? No, old, now, and future, and I put down talking bins. What?
It's epic. I love it.
Thank you. I love my epicness.
I said I love my background.
Oh! You just offended my soul. Yes! I have a soul, Kirsten! Meanie.
I hope you're gonna cut that out.
No.
You said my name.
Oh, no. Yep. I just wasted 39 minutes of my life.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Sorry, I had to, add that. Oh, I'm gonna stick with this background for a while. I like it.
I like my life. I'm gonna have to do major.
Fully loading.
It's a miracle. It's like, wow, it's a miracle.
It actually is.
It kinda is.
Oh, that face.
That face though.
I'm gonna say something and I'm like, no, this is a kid-friendly show, so.
Yes, exactly. I will not. If you said something, I would be like, I'm not letting you in any of my videos.
Oh, and also my mum would kill me.
And my mum would kill me.
What is with that?
I want to do a love heart in here. Should I do a love heart? Actually, I think I'll just do like a nice background. Let's do dark blue. Blue goes well, right? Yeah, blue's awesome. Let's do the blue. Stick with the blue. Darker blue.
Blue goes well.
Blues go well with everything. Like duh. No one knew that. You want to make something look good? Make it blue.
Oh, I almost killed you.
A heart rate in the background.
Sorry, I'm playing a game with guns.
Yeah.
Kid-friendly show. So it's like that's like the weirdest part of the video. Oh, I almost killed you. It's like, sorry, I'm playing a game with guns.
So it's like, so interesting. And I'm gonna put like,
This all started with an Animal Jam episode.
yeah.
Or not. Who knew Animal Jam could turn out to be violent? Yet again, this is not Animal Jam what I'm playing. Practically zombie apocalypse. Did I even say that right? I doubt I said that right. I highly doubt I said that right. Oh yeah, my beautiful gun.
I'm creating this into a den item.
I never thought I'd like guns so much.
I love guns. They are my life.
Guns are not actually my life, they're just my life in this game. You need a gun to live, pretty much. Otherwise, you're dead.
I'm dead.
Me. Oh, 2 giant ones. Oh.
This is the moment of truth. Silence.
I just killed that zombie. Silver.
34, 35, 50. Load for me.
I should really record this because I'm winning tremendously. I just saved everyone. Thank me later.
Please load for me. It's goodbye. Now load.
Oh, no. Things are attacking me.
Okay, guys. I think this is a good note to end this video on. Seeing as though this has gone for 43 minutes and 23 seconds exactly. Okay, so thank you everybody. Let me start that again. Thank you everyone for watching. Please leave comments in the
Leave comments in the description.
Anyway, let me start that again. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked. Please like and subscribe and bye. Say bye.
Bye.